The macaw is a vibrant, colorful bird belonging to the parrot family. Native to Central and South America, macaws are known for their striking plumage, which ranges in hues of blue, red, green, and yellow. These intelligent birds possess a strong beak, which they use to crack open nuts and seeds, their primary diet. Macaws are social creatures, often seen in pairs or flocks, and are known for their loud calls and ability to mimic human speech. Sadly, many macaw species are threatened due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade, necessitating urgent conservation efforts to protect these magnificent birds.